Alright, so today guys, may I show you how I make my green seasoning. Alright, so here, I have some fresh garlic, I have an onion, I have some fresh thyme, I have some scotch bonnet cut up in it, and some red bell pepper, alright? Now, this is my personal preference. This is some fresh rosemary. You don't have to put this in it, but I just like the flavor of rosemary, right? So I'm just gonna put a couple of leaves. And here, you need some whole pimento. I'm gonna use this portion, alright? These are some fresh scallion. We'll store these in the freezer in order to keep them fresh and looking vibrant, alright? So here we're just gonna pop a few stalks of this. Alright, so we're just gonna cut off the base side so. Give that a quick rinse. Alright, so we're gonna bring all of this to the blender right now. We're gonna add some olive oil in that. Some people use water, but I personally like to use olive oil because it makes it much smoother. Alright, and to top things off, we have here some fresh parsley. Yeah? Alright, so we're gonna bring that to a blend. Alright, so that's supposed to do it. Look at that. Alright, and this is how I'm gonna store it. I store it in a jar. Alright guys, so there you have it. The magic seasoning right there. As I said, good for your soup, your stews, your rice and peas, your seafood, whatever you're preparing and you need some marinade. This is the right thing right here, okay?